Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Steven. I am on the Las Vegas Strip, which you can kind of see a little bit behind me. And instead of going to Ikea and kind of walking around, I figure I haven't been down on the Strip in months and months and months. So I figured I would walk around the Strip and look at what each place is doing for Christmas decorations. And I thought I'd take you along with me. Hey guys, just went into the shops at the Forum to try to get a picture of their holiday decorations, and I passed by Lush. I shouldn't have walked in there, but I bought some stocking stuffers for my coworkers. Now I really hope that I'm flying with the people that are listed on Flickr because I think there's 2 girls on my pairing, and I got 2, I think, kind of nice things at Lush as stocking stuffers, but they're definitely girly, so cross your fingers I'm working with that crew. All right, guys. It is 5:06. I have walked 14,000 steps, and I don't even know what time I started this whole journey. I'm not going down to Mandalay Bay. I'm sure it's lovely, but I'm not going all the way down there. Or Luxor. I'm already fried and I have to go all the way back down the strip. Whew, let's see if I make it. How pretty is this? Oh, it has been, where's the camera? It has been a very long day of me walking around. It is, oh my God, what time is it? It is 7 o'clock. I have walked so far 21,400 steps. Got my count in for the day, right? All right, so I don't know if there's any other hotels between here and my bus. If there is, I might walk in and look around, but I'm toast, so I'm gonna head home. All right, I walked up to the Palazzo, and it looks like they're doing something. They haven't finished the trees yet, but I mean, they're making an attempt. It is the Palazzo, though. All right, guys, now for real, I'm going home. It is 7:20. I have walked 22,620 steps since I got onto the strip. I know, a little more than usual. I can't say it was really worth the experience for like what I found in terms of Christmas ornaments. I did have a nice day though. It was a really, really great day. I got a lot of exercise from me, and I did buy 2 things for Christmas stocking stuffers for my coworkers. So it wasn't like a negative. So I had a nice day. I got out, lots of fresh air. I wasn't trapped in my house. Now I'm going to go home. I'm going to have a snack, probably a bowl of Raisin Bran, and then I'm going to feed the cat some treats and then crawl into bed, and hopefully I won't be so sore tomorrow because I'm pretty sore right now. I'll talk to you guys later, and happy Vlogmas Day 6, and I will see you tomorrow. Fly safe.